Here comes the fun stuff. Oh, that plastic thing. Take it out.
What the fuck do it, bro? Come on, put back the wood there. Aye. Bro, leave this shit there. Don't take shit out.
I thought it was gonna break.
Wash the stuff out there. Spray along with the water.
You want it back?
Yeah. What do you have in the bags there?
That's the alternator.
Does the air does they have an air blower here?
Yeah.
It's right there. Looking right there.
Ah. It's now looking much better. What's going on?
It's on.
It's on? Oh, it's. I see what you mean. There's something wrong with the hose.
No, it's probably gonna come on by itself.
Well, you know, whenever you want to go get lunch, you know you're gonna get hungry. Trick is to find a place open.
Come on, let's put this motor over there.
I'm gonna pick it up, bro.
Come on, pick it up.
All right, just trying to make sure I don't break anything.
What are you holding on, bro?
The mount, these things, 1 and 2.
Okay. Good. Come on.
Yep.
Lift. Lift. Come on, bro. Lift. Lift.
I'm lifting.
You're not lifting. You're using your back. You gotta use your leg, bro.
Okay.
Come on. See that? Oh, come on. Come on. Pick it up. Easy, nigga. Easy, easy. I can't work with fucking you. Watch it.
What do you mean you can't work with me?
Move the shit out of here, bro. Okay.
I mean, what happened on it?
Give me a piece of wood. Yeah, spin this tire. Spin this tire.
Shit. Okay. It's fine.
Put it in front. Hold it forward.
Pull it
For
forward?
you.
Okay.
Leave it right there.
Okay. Do I have to pull the...
Go up.
Up? Okay, down. Wait, maybe get the exhaust out of the way. It's bending and it's not really should be there.
Come here. Go on that side.
Okay. Yeah.
Do not jockey like that, bro. Because this shit follow me, I'm fucking leaving this shit. Now, put your hand, go that way.
Okay.
I'll pull to you.
Pull.
Pull. All right. Come down slowly. Come down. Come down. Come down.
Slow.
Come down.
More?
No, come down. Hold on here. Do you have a jack in here?
Jack,
Go back, go back.
Go back.
Up.
How much?
All the way up.
A jack, I'm sure we have a jack here somewhere.
Lean the wood forward.
Lean what forward?
Take the wood out of there. Take the wood out of there.
Okay.
Hold the tire, bro. Bring it, Charlie. Bring it over here.
1, 2.
Hold on. Wait. Okay. Come on, you gotta lift, bro. Come on, go over.
Oops.
Come on, pick it up.
Oh.
Stand on your trolley.
Oh.
You go over there.
Okay.
Come up, go down slow. Go down.
It's not going down. We didn't pull the strings.
Pull the strings there.
Ready?
Go down. Go down. Come down a little more. Come down.
Come down.
Come down slowly. A little more. Over there. Take it out of here. Go down slow. Hold on. Where is it? Give me a shorter one than that. Oh, it's a shorter one than that.
Gonna move.
Yeah, hold this.
But
Come on.
we're going up, down.
Down. Come down. Down. Hold on, hold on. Easy.
I went slowly. I wasn't ripping it out of there.
This guy thinks this motor, it started. Some kind of bullshit you put on to start it, just to show you crank. 2 seconds started. You don't have to get oil, you don't have to get shit to get it running.
You're not wrong. You're completely right.
When I pull this engine forward, clear the stuff in the back there.
Okay. I'm too short. It sucks being short.
Hold this here.
Okay.
Go down. Come down slow.
Okay. Ready?
Go. Hold it there.
because these are clearly emissions systems and they're way out of date, and good luck finding them if you need to replace it. We don't really care about emissions with 1983.
Come down.
Okay. What are we trying to clear here?
What are you trying to clear?
The motor entirely? It looks like it's okay, but I mean, this part, oh, that part there? This right here, right? Will this clear? Fucking mother.
Close the hood and go back a little bit, bro. Fuck. Go up.
Go up, okay.
Leave it there. You just fuck up the whole progress we had, bro.
I just did by lifting it? By pushing it over.
You didn't push it, you lifted. Slide the whole fucking shit up there.
And
Hold the motor there. Give me my socket set there. Give me the gun. Come down slowly.
okay.
Down. Down.
Going down. If you want to stop here, I mean, I'm happy you're helping me at all. So whatever. I mean, pick up next time.
Yeah, we need to put the shit properly, man. It's
What's up, fam? So we got pretty far. I think we did the valve gasket on top, right? Valve gasket's done. Clutch is in. Timing cover is coming. That's next. But we stopped because there was something missing. I think we had stabilizer bars in the way. We pulled the tranny off, put it on the engine so that we can then put the whole thing back in. This is not a walk in the park. What I really wanted to do was set up a B18, or really what was coming to mind was a K20, a 2.0 dual overhead cam from a Civic that I used to have, which was 2002 Civic SI. One of Honda's best motors, you ask me, aside from the S2000. And the 2.0 dual overhead would do big things on that little 1,600-pound frame, especially if you throw a turbo on there. I think we're gonna just stick with the 1.5 single for now, because look how much it takes just to get this motor back into the car, and that's the native motor. But that might be in the cards. I mean, it sounds like a really nice project, and I did see people on forums shoehorning a 3.5 Acura motor in this little wagon. Like I said, there's options, but we have other cars to play with, so let's try to wrap this one up. See you soon.